Hello, and thank you for launching this short tutorial. We want to show you how to convert your payments from Smaato into your local currency. After receiving the email prompting you to access your Smaato account, log in using your email and password. You'll be prompted to use a two-step authentication process for security purposes. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will bypass this step. Next, you are presented with our dashboard. As a test account, there's not a lot of data to share with you here, but our focus is to guide you to the currency options. So we'll go to the upper right, the drop-down menu, and select Payment Information. Once your payment information displays, you'll have two options. Simply confirm that all the information is correct, or you may choose to edit if any updates are necessary. In this example, I will choose to edit. I'm going to simply change my country to the United Kingdom. When you click the Next button, it automatically saves your work. Now we've moved to the Payments Method tab. From here, I want to select my payment method. I'm going to choose Wire Transfer. Now you notice the payment currency options listed here at the top. You may currently be in US dollars and want to switch to Great British pounds. Notice how the fees are transparent and presented here. You will find this rate to be highly competitive compared to your local banking beneficiary. From here, work to confirm your remaining banking details. As a test account, I do not have banking details to enter, but simply confirm that these are accurate or make the necessary changes, and then hit the Next button. From here, you'll be directed to confirm or update any tax forms, and then you'll be done. Let's take a look at one more example. This time, let's say we are in India. Select Next. It's asking if we want to confirm this, and we will. Again, we want to choose our payment method. Again, I'll choose Wire Transfer. And this time, let's assume we start here in US dollars, and we want to switch to Indian currency. You're again presented with the transaction fee percentages. And again, you would move on to tax forms and finish up. Once you finish these onboarding steps, you'll now be paid in your local currency. You're converting via Smaato, and you're saving money on conversion fees. Thank you for your time.